Welcome to Sparsh Skin Laser. We are introducing DermaSight HD. In dermatology, every details matter. Introducing DermaSight HD, the ultimate dermatoscope with a triple spectrum imaging, a 15-inch HD display and smart diagnostic tools for unparalleled accuracy. The Ultra HD 15-inch display with a smart capture allows for single window zoom for a micro details analysis and the quarter grid mode for a before and after tracking or multi-lesion comparison. Dual probe system for a precision. 200x magnification probe is the best for a scalp and a hair analysis, detecting like a fungal infection and follicle health. 15x magnification probe is ideal for a skin lesions, pigmentations and early cancer detection. Single screen view focused real-time diagnosis. Full screen Ultra HD clarity offers a detailed, magnified view of a selected area, ideal for a live scalp, hair follicle or skin structure examination. 4-grid comparison view multi-angle assessment. Multi-spectrum display shows different spectrums, example like a UV and polarized light for the same area. Triple spectrum imaging see beyond the surface. Polarized light reduce the glare to reveal the subsurface structure like a melanin and blood vessels. Non-polarized light enhance surface features like a scales and crust. UV light mode detect fungal infections and pigmentation disorder invisible to the naked eye. Transform your practice with a DermaSight HD where advanced imaging meets clinical precision. Thank you for watching the video.